Hello, I am Saujanya. I am from Raghava Tutorials. This problem is belongs to 6 marks problems.
So here we have another one problem. This is regarding to the financial leverages. So yesterday I taught you operating leverages. So today we are going to explain financial leverages. So same as it is yesterday problem only. They have given first sales, variable cost, fixed cost, and one more thing they have added here, that is rate of interest. Yes, rate of interest. So first we have to take a format here. First is particulars and amount column. So in the first we have to write sales. Sales, how much they have given? So sales is 10 lakh, and in this 10 lakh we have to deduct variable cost. We have to do minus variable cost. So variable cost is 7 lakh. Contribution amount, how much we will get means, yes, contribution amount we will get 3 lakh. So we got the contribution amount here. So in this contribution, sorry, you should not do a line here. In this contribution, we have to minus fixed cost. Fixed cost is 2 lakh. So after the fixed cost, we will get EBIT here. See, you can see here, sales minus variable cost is contribution. So after the deducting with contribution fixed cost, we will get EBIT. We have to do interest. EBIT nalli interest na minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get EBT. So how much is EBIT is 1 lakh. So interest rate they have given 5 lakh at 10%. So first ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಒಂದು working note we have to do. In first only I have forgotten that. So working note, write working note here. So interest, rate of interest, how much they have given? Rate of interest 5 lakh at 10%. So here 5 lakh into 10%. If we do 5 lakh into 10% means how much we will get? Lakh into 10% means 50,000. So here 50,000 is interest rate minus interest. So after the deducting EBIT interest, we will get EBT. How much? So interest minus EBIT, we are getting 50,000. So once again, I will explain. So first they have given sales, variable cost, fixed cost, rate of interest. Sales 10 lakh, variable cost 7 lakh, and fixed cost 2 lakh. Rate of interest they have given two amounts. On 5 lakh we have to do 10% it seems. So first we have to take a working note here. Rate of interest is 5 lakh at 10%. So 5 lakh into 10, we should do 5 lakh into 10% means we are getting 50,000 here. So this is the rate of interest amount. So first we have to do, make a column like this, and the particulars amount. First we have to write sales. Sales is 10 lakh minus variable cost is 7 lakh. Contribution amount we are getting 3 lakh. So on this contribution we are doing minus fixed cost. Fixed cost is here only 2 lakh. We are getting EBIT amount is 1 lakh. So interest rate we have to take this amount. We should not take this amount because we have done the calculation of the year interest. So interest is 1 lakh. So yeah, interest is 50,000. Sorry, interest is 50,000. EBIT amount is 1 lakh. So interest amount we have got 50,000. So EBIT means 1 lakh minus 50,000. We are getting 50,000. So till here, I think you are understood. Next is we have to do a calculation of the two operating leverages and financial leverages. Here we have to do two operating leverages and financial leverages. So for this operating leverages, you already know contribution divided by EBIT, and for the financial leverages, EBIT divided by EBT. So the formulas for operating leverages is contribution divided by EBIT, and for the financial leverages is EBIT divided by EBT. I think you can make a note of this. We will go through this now. Yes, I will erase this part. So operating leverages is contribution divided by EBIT. So here contribution is 3 lakh divided by EBIT amount is 1 lakh. 3 lakh divided by 1 lakh, how much? So we have to write 3 times here. Operating leverages is 3 times. So financial leverages, when we come to financial leverages, EBIT divided by EBT. So here EBIT amount is 1 lakh. 1 lakh divided by EBT amount is 50,000. So 1 lakh divided by 50,000, how much we are getting? 2. So here we have to write 2 times. So this is about the financial leverages and operating leverages. Please make a note or take a screenshot.